Hi, this is Brent with Trade Therapy, and welcome back to the Trading Couch. We were talking about ARM holdings. ARM was part of our top-down analysis for NVIDIA last week. This is a chart from November of last year when we were covering SMCI. We were taking a look at this reaccumulation structure that had formed on ARM holdings at the time. Sentiment was very bullish on ARM and the semiconductor space when we came out with this opinion that we have a perfect setup here for a Wyckoff spring to develop and undercut this range and fill this gap. It was not a very popular opinion at the time. Everyone was very bullish on the semiconductor space and ARM in particular. So it was not a very popular opinion when we came out with it. But if we jump to a chart from June of this year, you can see that we did get that violent downturn. We did get that Wyckoff spring set undercutting this range and literally coming down and hitting our target within a few cents. It then very quickly pulled up out of that range. That validates that this is not distribution, that this was reaccumulation, and this was a spring undercutting that range. And the subsequent upthrust coming out of this and now testing the tops of this range validates that we did see a Wyckoff spring here. We are seeing a markup campaign trying to get started. It is testing the short positions at the top of the range. If we jump over to a current chart from last week, you can see that we did get the strong upthrust off of the spring, but it ran into these short positions. It's now working its way through that. We do expect to see potentially one more leg down here, possibly taking out stop losses under this market structure right here, potentially exploring just slightly below that. So we're looking for low 120s, high 110s. We don't have a position in ARM, but we are looking to potentially take one should we see this develop or this C leg develop and get a pullback into our targets. We may take a long position there. If you like these detailed breakdowns, you need to be reading Clarity every week. These videos supplement the more in-depth analysis and in-depth coverage. We teach members how to recognize these moves before they happen. Imagine if you had been reading Clarity and you had gone short on this spring move. Imagine turning around and then going long into the long side. Those are the types of trades that we teach our members to take advantage of because those are the trades that we're taking advantage of. That's all the time we've got for ARM this week. We'll see you next week.